Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about the contact statistics. Now you can easily get the contact statistics from the accounting module. Let's move on to the accounting, and here we can find the customers, and let's move on to the customers over here, and you can see the number of purchases they have made, as well as the bills or invoices that is generated, the opportunities, then the purchase they have made, as well as the total number of sales order for each of the customer. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.